Alright, so coming into the day, I was a little bit neutral, a little bit bullish, a little bit bearish. One, because of this 4 hour gap that we tapped into. So I was like, okay, bullish, obviously, but then according to my actual like daily bias strategy, London manipulated high, so New York was gonna reverse. It ended up not doing that, but um, But yeah, so I was like, okay, we literally waited for so long. We kind of missed this entry. It swept these lows and into the 4 hour gap. It bull ran, which was a break of structure, and then retraced right here, broke structure again. We could have caught that move up, but we missed it. And then right here, we were in a uptrend, so I was like, okay, I'm still gonna look for longs. I don't wanna, do anything stupid and marry my bias. So it swept out into this fair value gap and broke structure. Um, on the 1 minute, it had retraced and broke structure again. So I entered off that, and I noticed that it created an SMT with this high right here. It created an SMT with NQ, so NQ is higher. And so I was like, okay, I'm gonna wait to get like confirmation that it's actually gonna make a high right there. And so I waited for a close past this fair value gap, and this is where I exited. I exited down like $100, so I didn't really take a big loss today. I de-risked anyway. Um, but yeah, that was my trade. I missed the bearish trade though. We were looking for this originally, but it didn't look good at first, but then of course right after I entered long, it started to set up. I would have entered literally right here on this close, but this is right where I exited, so I didn't have any time. And on 11 a.m. open, it totally just cooked me because it was so volatile. But I would have gone there and set partials around a 2RR, which would be around right there. Oh, 2RR. So I'd set my partials right there. And then I have full TP around these lows. This would have been a pretty good trade to be in. I missed it. I wasn't going to enter after it's FOMO, so I didn't want to do that. But yeah, I also could have entered right here because it closed past these lows, but I didn't want to because of because of this wick, and because I just felt like it would have been FOMO in general, trading with emotion, so I didn't want to do that. But yeah, overall, not a bad day, but uh, would have hit my first take profit right here. And yeah, I'm down only 105 on the day, so I'm not worried. But kind of annoyed I missed this move right here because I was originally looking for it. I just the 11 a.m. open was so volatile, so I couldn't even enter. But it's all good. We'll get it. We'll get it tomorrow. So yeah.